I'll be teaching the basic controls for the Source 2 Hammer editor. First, to move the camera, press Z to enter fly mode. Now you can use WASD and the mouse to look around and move the camera. Press Z again to exit fly mode. You can also enter fly mode by holding the right mouse button. You can also hold Alt for additional camera controls. Alt+LeftClick to orbit, Alt+RightClick to zoom, Alt+MiddleMouse to pan. To move an object, click on it to select it and then press T to go to transform mode. Click and drag on the coloured arrows to move the object along that axis. By default, the object will snap to a grid of 64 units. You can change the grid scale using the square bracket keys. Left square bracket will shrink the grid and right square bracket will increase it. To create a copy of an object, hold Shift and then move it. Pressing R will switch to rotate mode, which will allow you to spin the object. You can change the rotation snap angle with the menu in the bottom right hand corner. Alternatively, you can disable snapping to grid entirely by pressing Shift W. Pressing E will switch to scale mode, which allows you to grow and shrink the object. You can create new meshes by selecting the block tool. With the block tool selected, click and drag out an area and then press Enter to create the new mesh. You can change the shape of the mesh being made with the Geometry Type drop-down menu. The height of the mesh will be set to the current grid size. In the next video, I'll cover mesh editing.